Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about when is the best time to fertilize grass. Well, my theory on all of that is if your grass has a good diet, if it's got good compost underneath it and it's got lots of water, you shouldn't need to fertilize it. The same with us. If we're eating a good diet, we shouldn't need vitamins. So before you fertilize, always think about, why am I fertilizing? And if it's not broke, don't fix it. If your grass is nice and lush and green, don't fertilize it. The only time that we've ever fertilized in our yard is in the late summer, early fall. Because sometimes the grass does start turning brown a bit. We're still watering and the nights are starting to cool off and it just doesn't look very good. So by just adding a little bit of nitrogen-based fertilizer on it, just a tiny bit over our lawn in the early fall, everything grows really lush over the winter and we never fertilize again for the whole year. And we only fertilize on parts of our yard, the parts of the yard that turns a little bit yellow. The areas of the yard that are nice and lush and green, we never fertilize at all. So make sure when you do fertilize, never let it near any natural water areas and only use half of the amount that's recommended, because a little bit does go a long ways and you don't want the fertilizer in our waterways and killing our fish and our birds.